Hi guys, my name is Jeff Jones. My voice is strong. I got over my cold. I'm from theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxmen.com. Now in this video, I went to the Google Play Store because I'm always looking for different applications just to mess around with and maybe to do some videos about. I came across a launcher, and I'm not the only one. Maybe I'm late to the party. That works on all devices, even a formula, as I'm going to show you. Now, one of the things I love about this, it's called the Super Smart TV Premium Launcher. It's right there. Let's go ahead and open it up real quick. And let me see if I can get this to start over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this all over. So let me restart the box, because I wanted to show you. No, I'll just keep it here. So let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, all right, the first thing, it looks very, very busy, but you can set it up in the settings here where you can find things at the top that if you want to change the weather, you can definitely do that. If I go all the way to the left and click on that, it'll show you the different apps that are on my device. So my Aerial Dream, my Tubi, everything is at my fingertips, and it'll even give me a chance to show my system apps. So that's good to know right at the top there. But if I wanted to do this and I wanted to change the weather, there's ways to do that very easily. As you can see, the weather from today all the way till Sunday is right there here in California. One of the other things that's on here, I think, is the settings here. If I click on that, that's where we are. If I push over to the left, you'll see account is highlighted. If I go down to appearance, press OK, I can change the appearance from the font size to the media news. I got that on. Show the app usage. I can show connected devices, most used apps all the way across. And I really like this part here because you can change the appearance. Then the second thing, you have voice commands and radio. So if I show the most played radio row, I can do that. If I wanted to instructions, if I wanted to launch apps, launch radio, I can start the app by pressing the microphone and saying launch, the name of the app, and it will launch the app. That is really awesome. So I think that is one of the best things out there that you can see. Let me go over here really quick to make sure. So if I show the artist information, okay. All right, let's see if this will work here. So I'm going to go back to the home page. Okay, and let's say, oh, maybe it's on here. Launch YouTube. Oh, I don't have a Bluetooth remote. Oh, my bad. You got to have a Bluetooth remote for that to work there. It says, ask me anything. I got the wrong remote, but the microphone is there, and you got to speak into the mic so it can hear you. So let's go back to the settings. Let's look at the home page really quick. I like this because everything is here, especially right here. If I go across, it gives a great view of YouTubes and things that are there, different trailers. I mean, once you sign in, you can make this very personalized. And if I keep going down, you got the most used apps here. And then below that, there's the connected devices there. All right. So I'm going to go back over to the settings. All right. So then we got the live video and TV and news. You could set those things up. I could go to the clock. There it is there. I could go to the language, the location, the network. It shows my Wi-Fi in the settings. So there's a lot of great things that I love about this. But the fact that it works on a formula device and it gives me the option to make it the main launcher screen shows the power of it. So this will work on a formula. This will work on a super screen. This will work on just about every media device, including a Fire Stick. I would take a look at this because most people that get it, ooh, look at that, my bad, really don't have any issues with it whatsoever. And they absolutely love it. So you have a free subscription and you have a paid subscription. Most people just keep the free one, and it just works out really well. Now, if you do decide that you want to sign in, it's going to use your Google credentials, And that way you can sign into YouTube and stuff like that. And I think it's more beneficial that way if you choose to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. I just wanted to make this really quick. It's called the Super Smart TV Launcher, and I think you're really going to like it. The last thing I didn't do is there's some radio on here. So they got some dance wave. They got a lot of different things on here. I did the dance wave. You got the top 50. You got blues. You got metal, rap, themes. So they just got a lot of different things here. And you can even change this right here, the equalizer. That's really cool. I mean, you can change it however you want. You can set presets. This thing is really, really ready to go. And I found it by accident, and I just wanted to share. So I'm going to go ahead and close out the video, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in. It has been a blessing for me to be able to give this type of content to people that are interested. At least you can go check it out yourself. Well, my name is Jeff, and in the description of every video is a chance for you to get some of our latest sales. For instance, if you know a person who's tight on a budget and just wants a good small TV box, we have some that were given to us that we're only charging $85. $85. And if you want to know more about that, you can text 858-212-0841 and tell the person that you're texting, show me the $85 box, and they'll send you a link to the video so you can see the full-fledged video. Maybe pass it along. We only have 15 of these. So if you like them, we'll warranty them for a year, but it's $85, and it has some of the best live TV and other content on it. Can't beat that. Thank you guys so much for choosing the Boxman and Stream Machines. We'll see you.